All right, good morning, guys. Corey here with the Asian preview. Now, getting straight into it. A few of the headlines coming out. Um, Chipotle shares jump, a bit of equity stuff going on there. Wall Street advances, oil coming off again. So nothing really new there. Checking out a few of the numbers that came out overnight. We did have some unemployment or jobless claims come out of the U.S. and they were a bit higher. Import prices went a bit higher, export prices down. Yeah, so everyone's kind of just calming down before retail sales tonight and PPI. So dollar index heading a bit sideways. What do we have in the Asian session today? We'll first check out the Aussie and the Kiwi. Here's the Aussie coming up strong. Obviously, the strong employment numbers that came out yesterday sent it flying. Now retrace, but a sideways action now. So something that also I was reading an article on was a bit of doubt on the U.S. jobs data, or not U.S., sorry, Australian jobs data. So Brad kind of touched on it in the webinar, but there's a few articles going around as well that people are starting to doubt whether these employment numbers and the data that they're using are actually accurate. So you could see this thing kind of come back a bit, casting doubt on that and seeing it might be a bit overvalued at the moment. But that's that on Aussie. Nothing really coming out today, so don't worry too much about that. Again, RBNZ cuts rates, and next thing you know, it shoots up, 100 points. So, that was kind of expected, but it's kind of starting to consolidate here as well. They're also talking about the currency is a bit overvalued, so you'd expect that to kind of come off and shoot down, but still hasn't done that quite yet. So, kind of keep an eye on that, sitting at a good resistance level as well. Checking out the dollar yen. Big move. Now it's starting to slowly consolidate as well. So, this was the break on Wednesday. Shot all the way down. Bit of sideways action. Now it's coming up to the cloud. So expect to, maybe see a bit of resistance there. And just maybe a bit of sideways actions coming into the U.S. data tonight. And that's about it. Checking out a few of the yen crosses that are looking, nothing really is offering that good of an opportunity. If anything, we kind of were looking at this euro yen chart. It's obviously not too valid of a support line, but it was just kind of coming in line with the cloud, and once it did finally break through the cloud, it went, so kind of no really opportunity there, but just kind of keep it on the levels. Yeah, don't worry about the yen crosses. No good opportunities, so we just gotta be patient with those and wait for a good one. That's about it today, guys. It will be a quiet Asian session, but the big data will be tonight. We got U.S. retail sales, core retail sales, and PPI. So and the Fed next week. So markets will quiet down. Definitely be a quiet day, and tonight we could get a bit of action though. But that's about it, guys. Short and sweet. We'll get those charts up as soon as we can. But look, adjust your charts, check for levels on the majors since we do have some U.S. data coming out tonight, and we'll go from there. All right. Cheers, guys.